column width and row height. On a worksheet, you can specify a column width of 0 to 255 and a row height of 0 to 409. This value represents the number of characters that can be displayed in a cell that is formatted with the standard font. The default column width is 8.43 characters and the default row height is 15 points. If a column or row has a width or height 0, it is hidden, that is, it is not visible in the grid. Set column width or row height. To set the column width or row height of a cell, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the column or columns or row or rows whose width or height you want to change. Step 2. Click on the Format command in the Cells group from the Home tab. Step 3. Choose column width or row height under Cell Size section from the drop-down list. A column width or row height dialog box will appear. Step 4. In the column width or row height box, type the value that you want your column or row to be. Automatically fit column or row content. To automatically fill a column or content of a cell, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the Select All button. Step 2. Double-click any boundary between two column or row headings. Step 3. All columns or rows in the entire worksheet will be changed to the new size. At times, a cell might display ### sign. This occurs when the cell contains a number or date that exceeds the width of the cell, so it cannot display all the characters that its format requires. To see the entire contents of the cell with its current format, you must increase the width of the column.